I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Shine back wheel. Start by parking on level ground and securing the bike with a stand to prevent tipping. Gather basic tools like sockets, torque wrench, axle grease, and a breaker bar. Inspect the rear wheel for wear, check brake pads and sprocket teeth, and note chain slack. Keep fasteners organized and follow torque specifications when reassembling to ensure safe operation on the road. Before starting, lay out all tools so each step flows smoothly and you avoid surprises. Prepare replacement parts like bearings, seals, and brake pads if inspection shows wear. Clean the wheel hub and axle with solvent and a lint-free cloth to assess condition clearly. Use grease on contact surfaces, but avoid contaminating brake areas. Label small components to preserve orientation and alignment when you reassemble the wheel. Loosen the axle nut, then lift and support the bike securely before removing the wheel. Slide out the axle carefully, keeping spacers and chain alignment in mind to avoid damage. Inspect the hub, bearings, seals, sprocket, and brake assembly for wear or scoring, and replace any components that show play or roughness. Clean mating surfaces, apply fresh grease where needed, and prepare the wheel for precise reinstallation and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.